Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is part 5 of my how to grow Agapanthus from seed videos. These have been in my heated greenhouse all winter. As you can see, I always cut back on the watering, don't want to rot over winter. But these tried out too much, so they've been stood in a pot of water overnight just to rehydrate. Looks like they're going to come back, so I don't think I've lost them. You can see the ones that I've watered regularly. You see a difference in growth. I mean, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. I think this is 3rd year, I think. I have to look at my videos to double check. But it's a big project and it takes a long time to grow them from seed. But I'm telling you, it's definitely worth it because I'm going to get some amazing flowers, I'm sure, of this year. And hopefully some really unusual ones that I can start dividing. And get some really nice ones that you can't get in the shops. I'm hoping anyway. It's I always forget a hybrid something. I forgot the name of it. Anyway, it's a hybrid seed, and this is what happens. As you can see, these are split. This was just one last year, and it's split into 3 or 4. So each one of these should start producing a flower stem. Well, probably this year, probably just the main one will produce a flower stem actually. But in the future, I've got one here that I've had for several years now. I mean, look at the difference in size. Look at that, absolutely totally different. This one's called Queen Mum, and this one produces a stem from each one of those, and it's absolutely divine. That's like a whitish bluish one, that one. That's another one that I haven't watered that well, but as long as there's some green life there, you can just see there, that one will come back because it's not got any frost damage. And what I'm doing today is just cleaning them up and getting them ready, because I shall show you what I do this stage. So I'd like to thank everybody for supporting my channel. Such nice words that you all say. It really does cheer me up when I'm feeling down and that. Come on here, make a video. I get such lovely comments. I'd just like to thank you all. But yeah, all I'm going to be doing with these is getting my snips, just tidying them up, getting rid of any dead or dying leaves. You don't want them to rot. Give them the best chance you can. But yeah, straight round. Yeah, just go straight round, putting even the live leaves, put them back to some green. Give them the best chance you can. If you leave them, they just turn horrible and slimy, especially with this wet weather we're having. I mean, these need to be kept in until all chance of frost is gone. So, like, we're halfway through May now, so that's why I fetched them out. They'll be on the front with a little bit of protection from the property. But if I see a weather forecast that says it's going to be really cold, I will fetch them in because I don't want to damage them after 3 years. And like I said, even this one looks really bad. But yeah, I forget to water them. Everybody does. It doesn't matter how good you are at gardening, how much you like it. Everybody forgets something sometimes. And I just want to show you that not everything goes perfectly. There's nothing to worry about. Get rid of all that. There we go. Nice and tidy compared to what it was. And as long as you've got some green there, that's just live bit. These should come back alright. That's probably the worst one. This one's probably one of the best that's been fed and watered over winter. You see that beautiful, they produce lovely thick tuberous roots when they're growing really well. But as you can see, look, that's when being outside this every year. Get rid of all these weeds because all this is competition for them. 2 nice foxgloves there. I've got plenty of those. Bit of grass. Go around, get rid of everything. Like so. And I'm just going to show you what they look like with the roots. Some people say you need to get these pot down before they flower. I think that's a load of rubbish, to be quite honest. But yeah, that's a lovely healthy root system there. What I might do with these is in a week or so is put them into these pots here. I bought these a few years back from a flower store in my local bus station. She only charges like, I think about 10-20 pence each. Put some holes in the bottom, and that one would go great in there. So yeah, I'll probably do that in a few weeks. So yeah, this is my Agapanthus grown from seed. If you need any questions, if you've got any questions, need any help at all, don't hesitate to ask, folks. And if you like the videos, please subscribe. And we're happy sewing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please everybody keep safe. Thank you, bye.